Evening, ladies and gentlemen.
What could I say after it was done?
Welcome back! Today is going to be a different day. Amo ng kotse ngayon. So ngayon is a Sunday. It's Easter Sunday ngayon. Time check, it's 2 p.m. Ito tayo ngayon sa Mia Badminton Court dito sa Pasay. Pakita ko sa inyo kung nasan ako ngayon. Coming from EDSA, ayan, ito yung paakyat ng Skyway. Ayan. So we're currently here in Mia, ayan, Mia Sports Center. Let's pasok kayo dito. Ayan, Mia Sports Center. So services that they are offering is, of course, pickleball, badminton. Two sports are currently offered dito sa Mia. And today, tayo yung mag-host ng Open Play. Well, matagal na naman ako nag-host ng Open Play, but this time, it's a different kind of Open Play kasi related dito yung brand ko, which is yung Ever Since. So it's a collaboration with 002 Pickleball Club and Ever Since. You know. So if you guys know me and follow kayo, alam niyo na yan, lalaro ko ng pickleball from time to time. And ngayon, parang gusto ko naman siya ipasok yung hilig ko with pickleball to Ever Since. Yun nga pala, nag-release din ako ng dry fit shirt that we can use during games, during track days. So, di ba? Pwede natin gamitin yung merch din natin. So, pakita ko sa inyo kung ano meron dito sa Mia Sports Center. So, services that they are offering also is, ayan, restringing of badminton gears. And they also have Yonex shoes, iba-iba, apparel, rackets. Dati meron dyan sa Epic Triton 5, pero naubos agad. Ganun kalakas yung pickleball ngayon. Ayan, so pasok tayo. So currently we have 30 players ngayon. Ayan. Start na sila mag-stock. Yung si Matt. Hello. And stock na sila. Yung si Clarice. So we currently have 30 players today. So mamaya magpaparaffle tayo ng mga apparel on our end to give out to the players. Yeah, so 3 courts. So court number 1, court number 2, and court number 3. So how does open play work? So yung ginagawa namin ngayon is open play. Open play is you pay a certain fee, then you get to play for 4 hours with different kinds of people. So random people, pero it can also be your friends. Stacking system implemented, so win-win, lose-lose. Para mag-shuffle yung mga players. So sa court number 1, nanalo yung dalawa, dun sa court number 2, nanalo yung dalawa rin, silang dalawang lalaban. And shuffling system, ganun, win-lose, everything, just like that. So mamaya, makita niyo ako maglaro. Pasensyahan nyo na. Bago lang ako, parang few months pa lang ako naglalaro. Yeah. So sana ma-enjoy nyo pa rin yung vlog natin today. Ito natin yung merch natin dito. Mamaya latag natin to. Okay, so kunin natin yung paddle natin. Pakita ko sa inyo. Wala pa akong case eh. So nasa tote bag lang yung paddle ko ngayon. Yun. Pero Toyota pa rin. You know, we have here the Recon. Let's go. Lagay na natin to sa stock.
Ay, wow.
Yun o. Okay. First game. Play for serve.
Go yun, out.
Tied out pala. Di na ako marunong maglaro. Mali. ATP boy! Na-bait ka, tol. Greedy, greedy. Side out. Oh. Sorry. Paisa lang. Paisa lang. Bagong paddle, sorry. Bagong paddle. All good. Gosh, pumasok, sorry. Bakaw. Nag-poach.
Hammer.
Ay, sorry. Sorry. Hesitate. Dale! In. Sorry. In pa yun? Grabe naman. Nice. Nice.
Hammer.
Caught on cam.
Dito yung ginagawa mo.
Spin yun, ha? Pasok. In. Bomba. Grabe namang serve yan. Ganda ng serve.
Sila lang po, panalo kami, kundi hindi po i-upload sa kayo.
Game 1, panalo. Game 1 done. Post-game analysis. Yung wrist ko kasi medyo na-injure siya for quite some time. So nagpa-PT na ako. And almost 1 month na rin akong hindi nakapaglaro. Ngayon na lang ulit naglaro. Medyo alalay pa yung first game ko. Wala pa masyadong spins, wala pa masyadong power. Yung mga 60% to 70% power pa lang yung ginagawa ko kanina. Mamaya sumakit yung wrist ko. So ito yung stacking right now. Pakita ko sa inyo. So ito yung stacking right now. So guys, if you want to play with us, you can follow us on 002 Pickleball Club. We host game from time to time. So ngayong April marami kaming game. So libre tubig namin with ice yan guys. And libre chocolates. May nuts paminsan. Ayan. Ilabas natin yung mga dry fit shirts natin for today. So para sa mga players. Ayan. Pwede sila bumili. So we have the Marine Squash. Our Spencer Polo, we have the GT1 shirt and the GT1 long sleeve na pwede to pang rides, pwede pang bike. Ito pwede pang track day, pang pickleball. Also with this one, pwede pang pickleball. My personal favorite na polo, yeah, lemon squash, jersey. Ito favorite ko, ito suot ko ngayon. You can buy it on our website. Yan. Pero ngayon nakasale siya for today. Today only. Game 2. Let's go! Yun na! Play, play, play! Woo! What a love! Game 2, game 2, game 2, game 2. Let's go! Go, Matt! Shit! Bago battle, bago battle. Out, out. Out.
Ay na, miss ko na tayo.
Ganda, ganda. 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 Huli. Mat. Nice. On the line. Line. Nice one. Side out. Ay, sorry. Kinalimutan. Gentle, gentle. Out. Ay! Sorry. 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 Mat. Sayang. Nice one. Out. Ah, my God. Beaten, sorry. Mat. Nice spin. Good job. Cut.
Takot ka pa yung ganun, no?
Or 5. Sayang. Almost ATP. God damn! Side out. Shit. Sorry. Nice one! Nice one! Crazy. Taas gabi. Pero oo, okay lang. Nice one. Nice serve.
Alam sa dadalhin eh.
Nice one. Taas gabi. Ang ganda ng tira mo, parang gaganon dito pala.
Doon sa ganun.
Game 2 done. Talo kami. Pero okay lang. Ang ganda ng game. Game 2, post-game analysis. Talo kami. The score was 11-6. Galing. Galing ni Josh maglaro. Yung mga fake. Dali niya ako 2 times ng fake. Parang dito niya titirahin dun sa kabila. Pupunta yung bola. Parang nagpo-fake siya. Galing. Ganda ng placing, ball placing, and mga overhead. Ganda. Galing din. Kakampi ko si Matt. Galing din ni Matt. Nice serve. Baba and malakas. Siguro isa pang game. What a serve! Game 3, let's go. One zero. Two zero. Side out. Matt. Ay, sorry. Nice. Nice. Drop shot. Taas. Ah. Ayan. Oy, sayang. Lakas. Nice one. Nice one.
Pochi.
Pag hindi mo napasok, bakaw ka. Pagpasok, poach.
Pasok.
Nice. Tick na tayo dun. Shot, shot. Dali ka ng slice. Ankle breaker. Nice, sir. Uy, taas.
Ano yun? Slice
Sin.
na balik mo rin ang slice.
Oo. Slice mo ng mas malakas. Good game, good game, good game, good game. We won! Game 3. Game 3 done. We won. Score was 11-6 ata yun. Or 11-5. Solid. Solid tong wika. Sobrang ganda gamitin. Sobrang gritty niya. Big sweet spot. Also, sobrang gaan. Hence the name. 3 games lang ako for today. I enjoyed it. 2-1. 2 wins, 1 lose. So mamaya magpaparaffle kami ng 5 shirts sa mga attendees and some stickers papamigay sa mga attendees din also na lumaro ngayon for today's open play with Evershit. Yeah. So we'll be handing out some stickers. Ito guys, wala to sa website. Exclusive lang to dito. Bigyan natin lahat sa mga players. Let's do it. Gusto mong color?
Pwede dalawa.
Isa lang. Isa lang. Bilang to eh. Bilang to eh.
Card grade yan, no?
Yan.
Mas gusto ko pala yung isa.
Consolation prize. Pili ka isa. Okay. Pili ka isa.
Ano kayo naman?
Card grade yan.
Pili ka isa. Malakas to, malakas to. Pick one. Okay. Pick one. So, I think that's about it for today's video. Sana nag-enjoy kayo sa pickleball content natin ngayon. Guys, lahat ng dry fit shirt na nakita nyo ngayon sa video na to, including this one and yung dalawang polo shirt and yung isang long sleeves, you can always buy our merch at www.eversense-streetclub.com. Don't forget the dash bago sa kayo mapunta. If umabot pala kayo guys sa part ng video na to, you can comment down below pickleball. Yan ang pickleball sa baba para alam kong nanood kayo from start to finish. Thank you so much guys for watching. This has been Jerome Monastial. See you on the next vlog. Johnny! Hello. Fluffy baby. Super fluffy baby. Pet bite mo naman.